Kublai pi baro akibat Peit ya kene ka channel jongi ka donbosco media network. Gimat kiba kongsan mentah ka sni kilong. En penlong tamasa na rempe ka seng khasi seng kemi haka arpun riu bat arpun nyau Risaw ha madan waking. Pli ubah hek ya ka kerdan puli BA BEd bat BSc BEd ha NEHU. Penlong program pensyai padba halor ki skim ke sorkar Jylla hamairang. Ban penbena ke election commission haka khatlai tarik nai wing entep ke vote hagam begeri. Tementai ne pai shiki Khubor ki bakamnya. Ka seng khasi seng kemi kala penbena padba aban penlong ya ka third edition na Thmei festival haka arpun riu bat arpun nyau tarik Risaw hajar arpusaw ha madan waking jayau Shillong na do ka por lai baje jan miet. Ha bakran shikilal pathai Khubor haka khatsam tarik Risaw ha Shillong Press Club uba Hamar Singh El Kharmar Secretary Culture Sengkme ulaong. Kajing temu jong kani ka tamasa kareban kentiu ya ka kolshor. Ulaong hakani ka tamasa kandan ru kajing ya ko pen I riam tenrai ya ka ba lakhot ka lukhimai bat unai khatsaw sinya. En pen I pat baru ya ki jing put jing tem tenrai de ki kenhun batbet nasor bat nanong kandong. Kumban pen kenmau ka seng khasi kum ka kenhun ka ba imsngi ban penne pensa ya ka kolshor kadap shispa arpusan senam mentau senam arhajar arpusaw ya ka jing sedang jongka nadu senam khat praspa khandai po khandai.
Sports ne kirwai isio dan dari yang mengapai kumgalu kimai baru naik asal ni hal tu ni promote ya design ti kijumi pasti mulai lalu designer we kadang kowe lagi karau bagi ya hadi designer we tambah pilih design sih pada.
Yang itu Khubor di jengmentoi jeng seksual nilai ba kala nangai mensi meki kenhun kiba seng man bini larti ti kaniro kala sakya omta nami Jylla jungi shabaro takdam ikwa ban in khat iki kampun iki kenhun na baru na kamtam na northeast ban wan shimenta kawai jong nathmei da we translate on from the origin, from the roots. The mat way jam rio idan ka thamai la jam ti kwa man I been seeing lang ki para lulo ki way everyone in India ti ngatlangin nang penyai kan ni ti ka jing so long ka positive energy kan ni ka roi ka jing pa ofisno sarong pa kwa pen bha shu ya la jong ka thamai kirti destur di kani nasu kani kajing wanra kajing snu sarong ka automatically ka manifest sebagai positive energy ka panudang kama ba sana.
Ketika ini ba ani kita dulu sejuni kiri ruspa memimpin dan ada bagi bakara ya ka perkara kemudian ki sibe ruspa pasti kepisah juga. Jadi Agri on ruspa ka culture ke culture ni setiap bakal ruspa culture ni kamtam hasor mereka hasor ni te waking pakai syam ke ndre nanon kita pada ni pun jadi kisah mulai ko jadi kom ni don kumi jadi kisah di bangi kam yu kam te ruspa ben kata ke we basic idea juga bagi create the platform.
ba Northeastern Hill University haka khatsan tarik Risaw arhajar arpusaw kalapli patba yakajing sedang joka Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP na kabenta ban kentiu syaprang yakinong hikai kibadon sab bat syampang na kabenta ban penyar yakapuli puthi hakikerdan bapher. Menteri Ketenat Penroy Jingri ba Alexander Lalu Hek ulapli patba yaka program ITEP kiba kentup nadu ka BA-BN bat BSc-BN kaban sedang nadu uni usnam puli arhajar arpusaw hadu arpusan NEHU. Haba ajing keren hakani kasngi uba AL Hek ulaya ro yakani kajing sedang bat kajing jam syakmat ka NEHU hakajing kershan lang ka Ministry of Education ka Sorkar Pedeng. Uba Hek ula batai pensyairu halor kajing temu jong kani ka program kalong amtang ban penmi yakinong hikai kibat tebet bat kiba syampang henrei ban long ru kum kinong syongshnong kibadon kajing kit kli haka imlang salang. Yakani ka program ITEP kan syimpor saus nem ban pendep yaka. Hakajing puli ITEP ki Samla kila ban puli major honors habaro artli ki kerdan BA-BN lani BSc-BN dual major bachelor's degree daga ba penya soalang yaka subject education rengkat kiwe pat ki subject kum ka language, social sciences, bat ka mathematics. Kani ka program kabut tiket kum ki kendon jaga National Education Policy arhajar arpau kalong kabasuk bat kabayar bat kabajiliw hadu kata-kata. Uba Hek ulaong kakam nong hikai kade kakam kababaro ki burom. Henrei don kamru bandon ka jinglong kababha bat ka akor ka burom. Namar klem kini ka jingnang jingtip bat ka kerdan bajrong kalong le noi.
Respected Ban Sizzler, who's a good friend of mine also, and also in his speech he has mentioned about the student can be exits also can be rejoined. I know I did not be part of that encouragement. So thanks to all the faculties and particularly to our young students, boys and girls, are coming from different part of the northeastern state to get this ITES program or ITES course to be studied here in NEHU, and also especially to our parents. The parents, they are coming from the different walk of life. They are really slugging and also working very hard to ensure to meet the ends of yours. They never compromise at any time of any moment to ensure that they have fulfilled the requirements of their children, of the students who are studying here today. So this 4 years course, I really appreciate the Government of India, Ministry of Education, for introducing this beautiful course, which are going to produce so many teachers in the whole country. I was told that in the whole country, 64 institutions have already granted this permissions, and also one of them is NEHU. I'm really happy to our Ban Sizzler for taking all the initiative throughout your work hard on your initiative will not be able to get this course here in this NEHU. So once again, I'd like to thank the respected Vice Chancellor. So in learning, there's no end of learning. I always mention this, learning is perpetual. Doesn't mean that you have already learned that one course today, one subject today, the learning is ends. But it's always perpetual. There's no end of learning. You have to keep learning and always learn. You have to keep learning all the time. So we are today very happy with this inaugural functions of this new course here in NEHU for the 4 years integrated teacher education program, ITES. All are the very fortunate students who are getting selected and admissions. And also I'm very happy to know that this selections and this examination is not only in the northeastern states, but it is from the whole country you have been selected. Congratulations for that. But I only want to tell to our students who are already selected and also already admitted for this course. if even the national policy has given some lenient time to you to be exempt and also to rejoin again, but don't take this opportunity and never in your life. 4 years we have to concentrate in your studies. 4 years. Not even a day you will be miss your studies. We want this course. The whole country with this course, I'm telling you, we are going to produce not only the good teachers for our country, but a very good citizens of our country. So the teachers are very highly respected. They are not just the teaching job is a very noble job. We wish you also tomorrow, when you will be growing up, we will finish your course from here. We will be teaching for other students. The importance in your life is the attitudes. The attitudes is very important. We want to see you, all of you are with the positive attitudes. You know, when you have the positive attitude, you don't understand where it will take you. It will take you to, you don't understand where it will take you. You will determine your attitudes. Your attitudes will determine your attitudes. Where you will reach, we don't know. But you will determine your attitudes. But therefore, I always stress this. Always remind to our students, our young students, boys and girls, and everyone, the important, we have so many things now, we are going to learn the skill here, the teaching skill here. But the important skill in your life is the attitudes. It's called the universal skill. It's a universal skill. The attitudes is very important. Why I'm saying this, the attitude is because we produce a good human being, but not only a good human being, also a big human in our life. So that's why your attitudes is very, very important. It's a very vital. So therefore, whatever maybe you are going to get your certification, you qualify, you become scholar, you become doctorate, you become anybody. But if your attitude is not acceptable, then all your qualifications, your certificate is becoming vain. So that's why I'm telling you, when you have a very good attitude, you don't know where it will be determined.
Ka Enterprise Facilitation Center EFC Meghalaya East and West Khasi Hills District rengkat kejinga Trelang ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA haka khatsan tarik Risaw kila penlong ya ka multi-stake platform program na kabenta ki seng tremon ngobha NGOs ki bahab hamairang bat mauthat raishan CNRD block. Ya kani ka program la penlong hapo Tirat Singh Memorial Hall pendeng Yong Mairang balasem benta de ki dekot ki self help group ki village organization ki PG bapher. Kajing tmu jong kani ka program kalong ban ai kajing pensyai bat kajing tip ki babnya halor ki scheme sorkar ki bawan na kitanat fisheries, agriculture, veterinary ki dekot jong ki self help group PG bat village organization. Hakane ka program layo kijing pensyai bat kijing tip babanya asyapang ki scheme na ka fisheries department lengba ka kong JL Nonglan fishery officer nangta na u AEC East and West Khasi Hills ba El Martong na katanat agriculture da ka kong AD Nongbri na katanat veterinary lengba u ba Tiwanyang bat na kiwe kitanat rekam ka Khuborjylla ki badon hakane ka district.
Risk management risk apa? Jadi kalau pengsan tentang beliau berisinya. Risk management dari kita scheme untuk beli asuransi di Jylla itu bisnya. Hal scheme penperlu dan pasal perhatikan jangan menjengkel bisnya jompi asuransi company sahaja tahun lebih berusaha perhatikan. jumpa dengan skim menunjuk beliau melalui polisinya. Ban pelajar itu dong lajak nong jenjang di siang ini. Mulai sawah tekan, mulai yo kecil dengan siang kuat. Dia itu baru kantaman yang nong takshan, makanan kunawan haji bapaknya lihat yang skim. Menurut ini pihak ini cukup profesional di bidang ini pada problem. Air teknologi dan degree di sini yang lebih berbeda. Kertas yang sering lebih dilakukan untuk kertas atau apa lain.
Itu miskin yang berkata transport mana? Di kata saya di bawah di subsidi. Sistem government sistem ini. Di government bah kami di kepada ibu ini mana? Kata yang mana? Di juga berapa yang? Saya masih tahu yang orang itu. Apa buat di mana? Kamu nak piwan hari dengan kah? Dengan ibu atau mana? Kalau tentang apa piwan kali ini hak saya. Lalu piwan kerja tak kurus semua. Lalu kerja hari bulan. Ini kan sana pun sampai harus dulu buat di mana? Tang-tang. Jadi orang apa? Sebagai ras kita di dalam kemudian yang pusat sini akan dapat dari tempat poin. Dalam kemudian dapat di stok tu atau malam ini kasar asyik. Dan tak ada apa-apa untuk batai yang punya kawan tak mesti kepung pinai sini kan. Dia pun itu dia nak kan itu sukses berharap tak ada. Kepentuan kelangkaan bahan mereka belanja dari tempat itu selesai. Dia itu pasti kepentuan yang dia ubah. Jadi kalau kita nak jadi Badba kata orang orang juga dong jompi orang ba beda pin la di rupi terus saya kena kamu skim lebih kemudian babatai juga kan skim jong lebih terus siapa ni kumba
Ka Election Commission kari India haka khatsan tarik Risaw kalapan bena ban tap vote haka election shiteng samoy hagam begre constituency haka khatlai tarik nai wing bad yaki vote nyau haka arpu nyau tarik nai wing ar hajar arpu saw Kagam begre constituency kala thalino haba usaleng e sangma ula e no ya kashuki MLA hadien ba ula job haka election Lok Sabha natura parliamentary mentausnem Haka khatsan tarik Risaw u Chief Electoral Officer CEO ka Election Commission of India ha Meghalaya BDR Tiwari ulaya thu kidon hadu laipu ar hajar ngut kinong tap vote kentup ya kinong tre sarkar ki batre haka ni ke district ki banjit ya MLA bathamai na Gambegre constituency.
Accordingly, 56 Gambegre ST constituency in West Garo Hill district in state of Meghalaya is also going for by-elections. So schedule is as follows. Date of issue of gazette notification is 18th October 2024 on Friday. Last date of making nomination will be on 25th October 2024 on Friday. Date for scrutiny of nomination is 28th October, Monday, and last date for withdrawal of candidature is 30th October 2024. The poll will held on 13th November 2024 on Wednesday. Date of counting of votes will be on the 23rd November 2024. We have in Gambegre Assembly constituency total 32,157 voters, out of which 16,333 are male voters and 15,824 are female voters. There are total 51 polling stations in the assembly area, and out of which 31 polling stations are critical, but there are no vulnerable polling stations. Election functionaries are fully prepared for conduct of.
Pada itu Khubor lapoi shikabakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang Khublei Shibun.